Hey guys, I'm back home finally. I'm gonna start the video now, okay? First of all, don't mind over there because, girl, I got to make my bed. I didn't make it up this morning. I went straight to the gym. My room is kind of big though. I'm gonna do a room tour video. I might do a room tour video because y'all don't need to be in my business like that. Now the video is gonna start, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, it's Naya C. If you y'all, it's Naya C. If you are new to my channel, hey girls, subscribe. So today I'm gonna do a video about Hair Salute. So Hair Salute is a new business, a new hair business that launched 2019 this year. I can't remember if it was like February or March, one of them, but it launched this year. And let's get into it. So packaging. So the packaging came perfect. It was like in a pink poly mailers. What are they doing outside? Anyways, it was like pink poly mailers. And then inside came with like the thank you card. So I was like, oh, she's so cute. And then it came with like her business card, and then it had like, I'm not sure if it came with like a discount card or like what. I don't remember if it came with one of those, but it did come with a thank you card, and it did come with like her business card inside. Next thing is the bundles that I got. So I got 16-inch closure, 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles. Girl, that was a good deal, and I paid $230 for it. So that wasn't bad either. So I was like, she just winning. Like, she's just winning now, okay? But let me stop. So what else was I gonna say? I feel like I'm yelling. Like, I don't know if I'm yelling or not, but I feel like I am. I need some lip gloss. Okay, I put on lip gloss. Now I feel like I didn't put on nothing because I feel like my lips look mad dry, but whatever. So anyways, yes, so I got the 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles. And I got this hair straight black. It came in straight black, and it was straight hair. So I took it upon myself. By the way, this is my first time making the closure wig, and I was mad hype because, girl, I don't be making them closure wigs. This is my first time making one, so I was mad hype about that. And yeah, I decided to dye it a little bit, add some highlights in it because it was just dark, and I was like, it's summertime, I want it to be extra. So I took it upon myself to dye the hair, and then I just wanded it. Like, I just gave it some wand curls. Like I said, it came bone straight. So being that you can tell it takes curl good, okay, it's a good buy. It was a good buy. $230, not bad at all. Shipping, actually, she lives in New York, so I was able to drive and go get her, go get the hair, so she didn't have to ship it off to me, which is great because who wants to wait for it? Who likes waiting for a package? Nobody likes waiting for a package. You wish you could just get it right away. So I was able to get that. What else? This hair is just bomb. Like, girl, if you're not wearing this hair, you need to do something with yourself. Okay, period. But let me tell you, I will leave her website, and I will leave her Instagram so you can check her out and see if you like her hair. And then she has good deals and stuff. Like, she has like summer sales and like 10% off, 20% off deals and stuff like that. Maybe she might have one for the end of summer, or she might have one for like going back to school or something. So girl, check it out. For 2 months. And for 2 months, let me tell you, this hair is still mad soft. I'm not gonna lie. For 2 months, I had this hair, and what I've been doing to it was really, I have a spray bottle with water. So just now, like y'all see, I came from the gym. I just used that water. It got conditioner and water in it, and I just spray it on my hair. Let it air dry while I was like making breakfast and stuff. And then once it air dried, I just I wand it, and she came out like this, and she looks good. And I will definitely buy again. But I think when I buy it the next time, I'm gonna get like a look how good she looks. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. But the next time I buy, I'm gonna do a bob, I think, because I want something that's like short, because it's hot outside. Like, this is cute, but it's too hot. Yes, keep watching. I'm gonna upload more videos because I know I've been slacking on the videos, but sis, I got you. I got you. Okay?